Algorand value equivalent to $0.1917 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $0.1890, $0.1987. The earlier day close: $0.1959. The change was 0.0042, 2.14%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Algo. Algorand conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at $0.20. Excessive cost 0.25, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 22 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents, change for April 15.0%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2024. At the outset cost at $0.23. Excessive cost 0.26, while low cost 0.22. The normal for the month 24 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 24 cents, change for May 4.3%. Algorand figure for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.24. Excessive cost 0.29, while low cost 0.24. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 27 cents, change for June 12.5%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $0.27. Exorbitant cost 0.30, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 28 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 28 cents, change for July 3.7%. Algorand figure for August 2024. Before all else cost at $0.28. Excessive cost 0.31, while low cost 0.27. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 29 cents, change for August 3.6%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at $0.29. Excessive cost 0.32, while low cost 0.28. The normal for the month 30 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 30 cents, change for September 3.4%. Algorand gauge for October 2024. To start with cost at $0.30. Exorbitant cost 0.33, while low cost 0.29. The normal for the month 31 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 31 cents, change for October 3.3%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at $0.31. Excessive cost 0.34, while low cost 0.30. The normal for the month 32 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 32 cents, change for November 3.2%. Algorand gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at $0.32. Excessive cost 0.35, while low cost 0.31. The normal for the month 33 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 33 cents, change for December 3.1%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2025. Before all else cost at $0.33. Excessive cost 0.35, while low cost 0.31. The normal for the month 33 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 33 cents, change for January 0.0%. Algorand estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.33. Exorbitant cost 0.41, while low cost 0.33. The normal for the month 36 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 38 cents, change for February 15.2%. Algorand cost expectation for WALK 2025. In the first place cost at $0.38. Exorbitant cost 0.43, while low cost 0.37. The normal for the month 40 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 40 cents, change for spring 5.3%. Algorand figure for April 2025. Initially cost at $0.40. Excessive cost 0.45, while low cost 0.39. The normal for the month 42 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 42 cents, change for April 5.0%. Algorand cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at $0.42. Excessive cost 0.46, while low cost 0.40. The normal for the month 43 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 43 cents, change for May 2.4%. Algorand conjecture for June 2025. At the outset cost at $0.43. Excessive cost 0.54, while low cost 0.43. The normal for the month 48 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 50 cents, change for June 16.3%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2025. Before all else cost at $0.50. Excessive cost 0.50, while low cost 0.40. The normal for the month 46 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 43 cents, change for July 14.0%. Algorand figure for August 2025. Initially cost at $0.43. Excessive cost 0.49, while low cost 0.43. The normal for the month 45 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 46 cents, change for August 7.0%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at $0.46. Excessive cost 0.46, while low cost 0.36. The normal for the month 42 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 39 cents, change for September 15.2%. Algorand estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.39. Exorbitant cost 0.39, while low cost 0.31. The normal for the month 36 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 33 cents, change for October 15.4%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at $0.33. Exorbitant cost 0.33, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 30 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 28 cents, change for November 15.2%. Algorand gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at $0.28. Exorbitant cost 0.32, while low cost 0.28. The normal for the month 30 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 30 cents, change for December 7.1%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.30. Exorbitant cost 0.30, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 28 cents, change for January 6.7%. Algorand conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.28. Excessive cost 0.28, while low cost 0.22. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 24 cents, change for February 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for WALK 2026. To start with cost at $0.24.